Hey Brandon, hey Benny, this is Derek Price, and I'm making a quick how-to on updating your website. And so I'm gonna get started here. Of course, you see your extremechutecompany.com. Very bottom of the screen, you'll see WP Admin. That's the link that you click to go in and update on the back end of your website here in WordPress. As you can see, we've got a few things on the left over here. You're not going to really need to worry about anything right now except for pages. You can see pages. You click all pages. And let's see, you have this stationary vaccination chute that doesn't really have any content, just the coming soon thing. So let's say you have some information. Let's say you have a picture and you want to add some text and change that up. Let's start with the picture. So I'm in my visual editor over here, what we call it. And so I'm clicking in, just like, you're editing an email or whatever, you got bold, italic, etc. You make a list, things like that. Change the alignment. Click on this little toggle, toolbar toggle here, and you can change, text color, underline, things like that. Pretty cool. What we're going to do first is add media. At the top of the editor over here, it says add media. You have all these pictures here that have already been uploaded. But what I'm going to do is upload a new file. Alright. So select file. And I'm just going to grab anything off of my desktop. What is this? This is a picture of my friend Brian. He's a doctor. Cool guy. Psychiatrist, travels the world, making pictures like that on his Facebook. So it's uploaded the picture, and I'm going to say Dr. BVB, that's his initials, BrianVanBrunt.com. Alright, but you always want to put a title and an alternate text no matter what, just for the search engine functionality, help people find it and whatnot. And there's also a caption if you want to put a caption there. I'll just do that just for the heck of it. Alignment, none would be it's not aligned with the text at all. It's just on its own line and nothing related to the other text. So you could say left of the text, center, the middle of the text, or center, would be above the text is centered. Left and right would be to the right or left. I'm going to say to the right. You can make it link to that file, or you can make it link to another URL. So how about I'll just say www.brianvanbrunt.com, one of my websites from a long time ago. You can change the site, the size of it, depending on what you uploaded. So I'm going to go with medium. Alright, so I'm going to say insert into page. There's a picture of Brian Van Brunt on this hoof trimming website. It makes no sense at all, but just for the sake of education, here it is. Information on this product coming soon. I'm going to hit return. I'm going to start a new paragraph. Alright. So, and I'm just going to I'll hit return, and I'm going to make this into a heading. So I'll say paragraph, heading 1, 2, 3. I'll say heading 3. I can make it, this text here, bold. I could italicize it. I could underline it. I could make it red for whatever reason you want to do that. Yeah, it's kind of wacky. It's pretty cool. If I want to preview what I'm doing before I publish the update, I'll hit preview changes. And this is what it's looking like so far. So, pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to just kind of say, I'm going to trash those changes. Actually, let's say, I'm just going to use the old Command Z on the Apple, which would be Control Z on Windows. It's back where it was. I'll just hit update instead of anything else. But it does auto save for you, so if you got to work on something and come back to it, it's pretty cool. Show you a couple other things here. Forms. You have a contact form on your website, obviously. So like, if you want to see entries, like if somebody sent you a message and you're not finding it in your inbox, there aren't any entries yet, but you can go in and find them, and it is really nice and it archives all that stuff for you. Pretty cool. But there is only one form on the website. It is the contact form. If you need to edit it, it might be a little bit more advanced than you're looking at, but you know, I don't know if you'll really need to be doing that. But basically, you got a check box for the items. Here's a message. So I could send you the phone number, email, name. Pretty standard stuff. You know, but you can X that out, delete some things, change some things. If you need to edit that, just click on that, and you can add another with a little plus box if there's another item somebody wants to talk to you about. Pretty cool. And I think that that's pretty good starting point. I don't really necessarily think that you're going to want to edit the slides or anything at this time. You know, I've got a few. I've got the initial ones because you have a choice of 4 to show up on the website with their little thumbnails. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll see what I can do for you there. Just take another look at the website here. If there's anything else that we might be looking at, but I think that's a good starter for now. And now you can make some edits if you need to change some text up or add a picture to any of these pages here. And yeah, actually, you know what? Let me show you this here. On our slider, we've got these slides here, and we don't have any information for the stationary chute yet. So let's say you want to go in and you want to change that. You're back here on your dashboard, Extreme Stationary Chute, click Edit, and it works just like your regular page. Here you can change the text. Obviously, this is not a chute. I just put some pictures of some cows here. So if you want to remove that, hit the X, and then just like we did before, add media, and you can change the picture, upload it right from WordPress. It's pretty sweet. It's a good setup. Anyway, so thank you guys for the business, and just let me know if you need anything a little bit more complicated, and we'll work it out. Have a good one.